Freshdesk versus Zoho Desk, which is the best help desk software. If you're comparing these two popular options for your business or team, you're probably wondering which one is the best for handling customer support needs efficiently. Today, I'll walk you through the features, pros, and cons of both, and by the end, I'll share a better alternative that may suit your needs even better. Stick around to find out which one stands out and why. Let's start with Freshdesk. Freshdesk is known for being a solid, user-friendly help desk platform that caters to businesses of all sizes. It offers an intuitive interface, making it easy for teams to track and manage customer inquiries across multiple channels, including email, social media, chat, and even phone. Next thing, Freshdesk shines in automation. It has robust automation features that allow teams to set up workflows to help reduce response times and streamline repetitive tasks. These automations can really make a difference in improving the efficiency of your support team. But the downside? Some of these features are locked behind higher tier plans, so you may find yourself paying more for premium functionality. Moving on, let's talk about integrations. Freshdesk offers seamless integration with popular tools like Slack, Shopify, and Salesforce, which is a big plus for companies that use these platforms. However, while Freshdesk is fairly flexible, it's not always the easiest to customize without a bit of technical expertise. Now, let's dive into Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is another strong contender in the help desk space. It's packed with features, including multi-channel support, time tracking, and customer satisfaction surveys. One of Zoho Desk's major strengths is its deep integration with other Zoho apps, which is perfect if you're already using their suite of software. The setup is relatively straightforward, and the platform is scalable for businesses of various sizes. The fourth thing to consider with Zoho Desk is its reporting and analytics tools. If you're a data-driven business, you'll appreciate the insights Zoho provides into team performance and customer satisfaction metrics. However, while these tools are powerful, they can be a bit overwhelming for new users and require some time to learn. On the downside, Zoho Desk does have a steeper learning curve than Freshdesk. The interface can feel a bit cluttered, and the customization options are there, but they're not as easy to implement as with Freshdesk. Zoho's customer support isn't as responsive either, which could be a deal breaker if you run into issues. Now, let's talk about something crucial: pricing. Both Freshdesk and Zoho Desk have free plans available, which is great if you're just starting out or have a small team. However, as your business grows, the pricing for the more advanced features can get expensive. Zoho Desk's pricing is generally considered more affordable than Freshdesk, especially for teams that need deeper integrations or advanced reporting. But, as I mentioned earlier, you might face a learning curve to get the most out of these features. So, which one is the best? Both Freshdesk and Zoho Desk are great tools with solid features, but if you're looking for a help desk software that offers more flexibility, better support, and easier customization, the software I recommend you try is in the first link in the description. After testing all of these platforms myself, this tool consistently provided the best value for my team, especially when it comes to offering an intuitive user experience and top-notch support. If you want to take advantage of this better option, click the link below for a free trial and exclusive benefits just for our viewers.